क्या अच्छा लगता है इसके बाद?
आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है? फ्रेंड्स एंड स्कूल।
I like the township, the roads, the greenery, and the apartments.
So that construction quality comes so trustworthy, बहुत ही trustworthy है, and also secured, बहुत secured है Life Republic, because I keep on traveling to the other countries as well. I wanted to keep my family safe, secured, so that's the reason why I have chosen the Life Republic.
की हिंजवडी IT पार्क किती दूर आहे इथून, त्यानंतर हायवे किती दूर आहे, त्यानंतर मुंबई एक्सप्रेसवे साठी बायपास किती दूर आहे, ह्या ज्यावेळेस कॅल्क्युलेशन्स केले त्यानंतर आम्हाला ओव्हरऑल सगळ्यात गुड ऑप्शन्स वाटला तो लाईफ रिपब्लिक.
Family involvement, school close by, the most important thing safety.
Yes.
तो अगर आप रात में 2 बजे भी टाउन के आसपास घूम रहे हो तो यू आर कम्प्लीटली सेफ.
कोल्टे पाटिल का नाम जुड़ा हुआ था तो इट वाज लाइक ट्रस्टवर्दी और हमें लगा कि नहीं, दिस इज द वन दैट वी हैव टू गो फॉर. सो हमने यहीं पे सेलेक्ट कर लिया. फिर
I don't have to worry about anything. That's the main point of view. Like whenever I am at work, I know that everyone is safe at this place. So that is the overall thinking that we have.
And when we came here, what attracted us the most is the greenery and how well maintained, the roads are, the trees are.
Amenities and the way they have designed the apartments. Also the abundance of nature, which I really love to be around.
मुझे सिटी की भीड़ भाड़ से भी दूर जाना था और मुझे पास ही रहना था एक मेरे IT कंपनीज के पास में, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ये एक बेस्ट ऑप्शन था.
Most of that her time she spends in a balcony chilling out there, okay, with a nice cup of tea, and she stays a lot over there.
Evening
and
time.
We have a nice chit chat like going on around, so having that mountain view and all.
Yes.
So it really feels relaxing there.
मैं अपनी फैमिली को ले जा सकता हूँ. देयर इज अ प्लेस फॉर मेडिटेशन एज वेल.
रिसेंटली जर बघितलं तर R9 मधले जे हाय स्ट्रीट आता रेडी झालेले आहेत तो 2 स्पॉट माझ्यासाठी खूप बेटर वाटतो.
The main gate, and the joggers, the pathway which is being made, an urban park.
Urban
of
park,
course.
yes.
The most important thing कि clean air जो मिलता है ना, it's very 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 good. So urban park is the spot which I like the most.
I think urban park is the most attractive place here, and that is my favorite part of this project.
In morning time basically बहुत अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे टाउनशिप में, स्पेशली आप रनिंग करनी हो, वॉक करनी हो. दैट इज रियली ब्यूटीफुल, स्पेशली इन मानसून्स और विंटर सीजन इज लाइक बेस्ट.
They do 10 festivals, I can say, in entire year, which makes us really feel like being in a culture, tradition, share our tradition, share our culture. Not only the Marathi cultures, also the Telugu cultures. We mix around different types of peoples. All the festivals we come together. We celebrate together.
Navratri festival, which we recently experienced, that was really great. So it was with lot of happening stuff.
हमें अपने घर के याद आ जाती है कि हाँ चलो एक जगह पे रह रहे हैं तो सारे फेस्टिवल एक साथ एक जैसा मनाएं, चाहे वो होली हो, दशहरा हो या दिवाली हो.
The recently Navratri, the Garba Nachle event 3.0. So it was like a very good event. The decorations or whatever the effort LR team has put was beautiful. I mean, you will go and you yourself will love to dance and move around the beats.
But the open space which the Kolte Patil provides in this 400 acres, I say I walk around the Kolte Patil R9, I go to R9, I go to R16 and then come back to the main gate. I walk around 5 kilometers.
The utility that you need in daily basis, everything overall. So you don't have to see. I don't think it's fully developed. 30% only developed right? But still you have an exposure if you don't have to step out of the sector, the Kolte Patil, Life Republic. सबसे पहला कि ये सब बहुत ही बड़ा है, सेफ है.
सबसे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग कि ओवरऑल कोल्टे पाटिल के एंट्री पे सेफ्टी पॉइंट है, एंड देन आपको हर सेक्टर में सेफ्टी पॉइंट है.
The lifestyle here in township and the peace that we'll get in the future, that excites me the most here.
We could say in LR we have people from across India. First thing, it's a township, so we have people around all over places. First thing, the most important thing is the IT background, and in our WhatsApp group we have shared cab services, means so that also helps, plays a important role.
Least or strategically build township.
Secured on joy.
Life Republic is full with life, full of life.
Actually a life which we need after our entire hectic schedule. So yes, you have all.
I think it's peace and happiness.